Good morning everyone, my name is Desti Aryanti.
My name is Ayu Pransiska.
In here, we are going to provide some information about the enthusiasm of the residents ahead of Eid al-Fitri.
And we are also give you some interest information about some perception from local society that related in this problem.
As we know, the enthusiasm of people at Lubuk Linggau City has become uncontrollable ahead of Eid al-Fitri. The new normal situation of the pandemic has begun, and many people have been started to forget health protocols such as wearing masks, washing hands, and keeping a distance.
With the increasing enthusiasm of the residents on this year's Eid, which is expected to be more fun than the previous year, people have started to prepare what they need. For example, cakes, clothes, and others. This also makes many residents go to the market or to shops and create traffic jams on the road, as well as many of them who planning to back to hometown or vacation with their families.
We will ask several people about our news today. For the first one, Miss Checillia. What do you think about the market or shops that are crowded with people ahead of the Eid Fitri this year?
Alright, thank you Miss Desti. As we all know, Eid al-Fitri is a big day of Islam which eagerly waited for its arrival. In this case, of course, to prepare for the day requires quite a lot of preparation. Therefore, the market or shops must be very crowded with people. In my opinion, this is a natural thing because to prepare for the needs ahead of the holiday. Of course, the market is the main goal. It is also a tradition, and also as we know, health protocols have also begun to decrease because it has entered the new normal.
Okay, so in your opinion, this is a fairly natural thing, considering that we have been in a state of COVID-19 pandemic for more or less 3 years. What do you feel about this condition?
To be honest with this condition, I feel happy because we can celebrate it freely without any prohibition anymore.
Okay, thank you Miss Checillia for your perception.
Okay, you're welcome Miss Desti.
We move on to the next responder, Miss Tharissha. As a road user, do you feel disturbed by traffic jams on the road, and what is your opinion about it?
Okay, thank you, Miss Ayu. I think there has been a very severe traffic jam since the approaching Eid al-Fitri. This makes me as a student who often goes to college to be disturbed because I feel it's a very waste of my time, and I can be late because of the traffic jam that occurs, and it takes a long time for me to get to the destination.
So, you think the traffic jam is very disturbing for you as a road user? Is there other road as your alternative is possible that you can use?
Yes, I think there are other possible alternative routes so as not to get stuck in traffic jam. But sometimes other roads are also stuck in traffic jam, so I can only understand even talk sometimes. I'm annoyed.
Alright, thank you Miss Tharissha for your opinion.
My pleasure, Miss Ayu. Thank you.
Okay, we move on the last responder, Miss Syafinna. Do you think in this condition will allow us to back hometown in a new normal situation right now?
Alright, thanks for the opportunity Miss Ayu and Miss Desti. Mudik or back hometown is one of the important things when welcoming Eid Fitri. Because usually during the big day, the family will gather and stay in touch together. But as we know, the COVID-19 pandemic is not over yet, and we have used to living side by side with the pandemic, which is called the new normal. In my opinion, it's possible to mudik or back hometown the new normal, as long as the traveler adhere to health protocol and carry out the vaccination.
Do you have plans to back hometown or do vacations with your family? And what have you prepared in this regard?
I don't have a plan to back hometown or mudik, but for a vacation with my family maybe yes, but I haven't thought about this future. Thank you.
Those are some of the responses from people who have experienced the situation ahead of this year's Eid. Thank you to the three responses for providing insight and experience and thoughts regarding this discussion.
Okay, this is the information that we can give. I'm Desti Aryanti.
And I'm Ayu Pransiska. Good morning and see you.